Alright, why guest posting is too expensive for most bloggers and instead what to do. Okay, so guest posting is nothing but, so let's just say if I type in any keyword, right? So let's just say, let me go into the keyword SEO research. Okay, we have got into the keyword magic tool, and the way we do the guest posting is by typing our keyword. So let's just say dog foods. And once you do that, we find a high volume traffic, high search volume traffic, which is a blue buffalo dog food or chewy dog food. Let me just, okay, so Royal Canin dog food, or I can also go with just food for dogs. Alright, cool. Badlands best dog food. Okay, let's just take it as a seed keyword and just go into the keyword overview. And here, if I scroll down to the bottom, we find some of the high authority score pages. Now what we do is reach out to them. So if I take it to the next page, and let's just take it to the next page and this one. So what we do is, okay, this is a Reddit. So in also Reddit also we can go here and comment. This is called parasite commenting, but that's just another topic to speak about. So here what we do is go to, let's just see if they have written the blogs. No, they have not written the blogs, so we're just gonna ignore this. So let's just take another website, which is a Fresh Baits. I want to really see if there any website is writing blogs. Okay, we have got the blog. So the way we can do is we can reach out to them and ask them exchange, write a guest posting in exchange of one backlink. So that is called guest posting, and people usually charge the money. Okay, they charge upfront money, but instead what you can do is you can simply reach out to, this is the best way, okay? This is absolute OG and best. So what is that? Reach out to the pages which has low authority score. So what you can do is go into the keyword overview, and inside the keyword overview, go to the second page or third page where you will get low authority score. So I didn't find any low authority score. Let me just go into the 51 or 60. Okay, we have got the forum magazine justanswer.com, so I can go here, reach out to them. So this just looks like a forum. I don't want to do it, so let me just go back. Okay, basically the idea is this. So which has a low authority score, you reach out to them, so your chances of accepting by these pages is very high without money. That's what I'm saying. So the link will be in the description if you want to automate your SEO articles, so book a call with me.